being very proactive. And I wish him great success on his dream come true project, the Chennai Plastic Surgery. And as already mentioned, I'm a skincare specialist and a cosmetic physician. And myself, along with Dr. Bhairavi, who is also a cosmetic physician, we offer various temporary and permanent techniques to enhance the appearance of skin, hair and nail. We help the clients in achieving their desired aesthetic appearance. And many would be wondering as to what exactly is the difference between a cosmetic surgeon and a cosmetic physician. This is very common, common question that many would be having. Well, it's very simple. Cosmetic surgeon, they take you under their knives, and we probably take you under our pens and maybe some injections and maybe some creams and ointments. But whatever be the technique and whatever be the procedure, the concept in Chennai Plastic Surgery is we sit together, we discuss the treatment option with the patient, and we advise them on the pros and cons of each technique, and we leave the choice to the patient. In such a way, we offer them a best suited solution for their problem. Also, another objective of Chennai Plastic Surgery is we target the underlying issues. It's not just the problem, we target the underlying issues. For example, if a patient comes to me regarding some scars, it's not just the scars which I'm going to target. I'm rather going to help him help him control his acne. And similarly, if it is just going to be some liposuction, maybe it's not just a surgery which we are going to offer. We will offer him some diet counseling, and we will take the help from Dr. Mini Rao in motivating him to lose weight. So it is a combined effort, a combined benefit, and a long-lasting result. Well, a gist of our services as to what exactly we do as cosmetic physicians. Now, everyone would want to look fairer. Everyone would want to get rid of their pigmentations, their tans. So there are few treatment options such as skin lightening products, chemical peels, and glow injections. In addition to these products, we also offer them advice on daily skincare routine as to how exactly they can avoid tanning, how exactly they can avoid the blemishes. Next, coming to aging, aging is a very natural process, but still aging can affect your texture and the appearance of the skin. It can cause volume loss in your skin. It can cause facial lines and wrinkles. So these innovative techniques, the Botox, fillers and fat fill, they are all very simple procedures. And the beauty about these procedures is that, for example, if a patient wants to have a temporary filler, then he could go for a temporary filler, and if he's happy with how he's looking, he could go for a more permanent technique, which is a fat fill, and that's usually done by the surgeon. So as you can see, the facial lines while the patient is smiling, it fades off with the Botox, and it gives a smooth appearance. Now scars again is a very common problem, especially the acne scars, the chickenpox scars and the trauma scars. And there are various treatment options like derma roller, peels, lasers, and finally the surgical option, which is the scar revision. And though I have to admit that this is a multiple sitting treatment, we do get definitive results with subsequent sittings. And finally, the hair fall therapy. Now, Dr. Karthik would have already mentioned that we offer hair transplantation, but it's not the only option for the patients. We do have some medical options such as injection of mesotherapy, that is injection of the hair white laser solutions, and the platelet-rich plasma. And platelet-rich plasma is a very innovative technique, and Dr. Bhairavi would be explaining to you about that. So these are the options for people with maybe like early hair loss, and if people would want to opt for a medical treatment rather than a surgical option. So as I mentioned earlier, the motto of Chennai Plastic Surgery is an integrated approach, and we target through all perspective as a team. So I request you all to visit our Chennai Plastic Surgery Center, maybe not for a procedure, but yeah, just you can visit and see what are the services available and our skincare products as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Janni. Hair is an essential factor when it comes to defining good looks, and it is a reflection of your internal health. I would now like to introduce once again a cosmetic physician, Dr. Bhairavi, whose name most celebrities have on their speed dial list. For she is the one they turn to for quick skin fixes and skin glowing treatments. Her knowledge comes from the various courses she undergoes on a regular basis, both in India and abroad. And today she will speak to us about non-surgical hair fall therapies and PRP therapy for baldness. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Bhairavi.
Good evening to one and all present here. I thank Dr. Karthik for giving me the opportunity to be part of his team, and wish him success and happiness. Today I'm going to be talking to you about something called PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. I would say it's a miracle serum because wherever you inject it, the area heals, it grows, it regenerates. So what is PRP? Now, it's a cutting-edge therapy in the field of cosmetic medicine, and it's one of the major breakthroughs in treating hair loss or growing hair. And it's already being used in a number of other fields such as sports injury, diabetic ulcers, dental work, and cardiovascular medicine. Platelets, as we know, platelets are cells that help in clotting, and platelets, when injected to an injured area, would help in healing. So the idea behind this whole therapy would be, when there is a wound and we inject platelets, increase the platelet amount in that area, the area heals and regenerates. For example, in case of hair loss, it awakens the dormant or sleeping stem cells which are already present but they are inactive, and we activate them by increasing the platelet count in that area. So PRP is a serum which has 5 times more amount of platelet than normal blood. And here at Chennai Plastic Surgery, we use it both surgically and non-surgically. We use it pre and post hair transplantation. So for pre-treatment, the donor site from which we actually take the hair, we prepare it and we surgically help in making the area more active. So it's being used post hair transplantation at the recipient site for healing, as well as for the transplanted graft to grow better. And the donor area is also can be treated, and the donor incision heals better with PRP. And it's also for people who do not want hair transplantation. It is more cost effective. And people who do not want to go for surgical options, and if the donor site is very weak, we can strengthen it with PRP. And people who just have general hair loss and just want to grow hair, and for people who want to avoid infections otherwise. It's a very simple process where we draw blood, and the blood is spun or centrifuged, and the precious platelets are separated, and then we traumatize the scalp, and then we inject the PRP. And here are some of the results. This is with 1 session of PRP. And this patient here, he just has a small patch, he wants to get it covered, and it's worked beautifully for him. Another patient with 2 sessions of PRP. And here if you can see the amount of hair, it's thick and it's luscious. Another patient who was very concerned, IT professional, and with 3 sessions of PRP. And this is just not for hair. It's also now being used to eliminate wrinkles, rejuvenate skin, improve the appearance of acne scarring, and also for skin tightening. And this is going to be the future, and in fact replace commercial Botox and fillers. And I just want to end my speech as such, explaining what is beauty as such in our eyes. Well, it's a balance between form and volume. It's beauty produces in us an aesthetic feeling and admiration by pleasing the eye. And beauty does not only have to do with the face, the body, or a charming appearance. It is indeed a beautiful heart that makes us more beautiful. So thank you so much.